how to recover Telegram deleted videos. So if you want to restore your Telegram deleted videos, you have to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Telegram. Once you have opened up your Telegram, if you want to delete here, you have to just go for the delete chat. After you have permanently deleted your chat, you have to navigate to the three line and just go for a setting. Once you are in setting, just go for the chat setting here. So scroll down to find the chat backup. If you don't find any chat backup here, just go for the chat folder. And so here you have to just go for your privacy and security. And scroll down to five any backup here. There is no any chat backup setting here. Just go back. And once you are here, you have to navigate to your Play Store. And here on your Play Store, search for the file recovery photo recovery here. And here you can see this app. Just go for the install option. So wait for the installation has been successfully completed. So here you have to open up this app. Just go and open this app here. After opening the app, you have to follow the on-screen instruction. Here you can see that. So here you can see that they are unlocking your lost memory and reconnecting you with your data here. You can see that. And here you can see that you can recover now. You have to access the unlimited access here. Just go for the premium purchase and follow the on-screen instruction. And after that, here you can manage your photos and videos. You can manage your photos and just go for the recovery option. So that's it. You will be now able to have your deleted videos and photos. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.